Grate to medium onions and extract the juice. Add 30 milliliters water to the juice. Mix in 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Heat the mixture while stirring until it forms a creamy texture. Take a small portion of the onion cream and transfer it into another bowl. Add 1 tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Mix well and keep aside in an airtight container. Add 2 tablespoons flax seeds to 50 milliliters water. Heat until the mixture becomes a thick, jelly-like gel. Strain if necessary to separate the gel from seeds. Combine the flaxseed gel with the remaining onion cream. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Add the oil from 2 vitamin E capsules. Mix thoroughly until smooth. Your homemade onion flaxseed vitamin cream is ready. Store it in an airtight container for use. Onion juice contains antioxidants that help fade marks and control acne. Flaxseed and cornflower provide firmness and smoothness. Honey brightens skin tone and adds a radiant look. Vitamin E and aloe vera reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Please like, comments, share, and subscribe.